In a leafy wood where sunlight danced through the branches and the air was filled with birdsong lived Jeffy, a possum unlike any other. Jeffy believed he was far too clever and far too brave to ever play dead like the rest of his family. While most possums relied on caution and clever hiding to stay safe, Jeffy scoffed at such ideas, thinking himself above it all. Whenever danger crept near, his family would scurry to their secret hiding spots, blending into the shadows. But not Jeffy. He would climb higher into the tallest branches, laughing at the idea of being afraid. To him, caution was just another word for weakness, and he wanted everyone to know he was different. Jeffy strutted boldly through the forest, his tail held high and his prized shiny acorn clutched in his paws. He loved to show off, making mischief wherever he went, convinced he was the smartest and most daring animal in the whole woodland. Every step he took was filled with confidence, and he never missed a chance to prove it. Jeffy craved attention more than anything else. He would do whatever it took to be noticed, even if it meant making life a little harder for the other animals around him. Sometimes his antics left others feeling frustrated or annoyed, but Jeffy hardly seemed to notice. He played endless tricks on the squirrels and rabbits, sneaking up behind them or hiding their food, always with a mischievous grin. Jeffy loved the laughter and the gasps his tricks brought, always seeking to be the center of every story told in the woods. But as time went on, Jeffy's pride began to set him apart. He never saw the harm in his actions, he only saw the spotlight shining on him, and that was all he cared about. The more he sought attention, the more alone he became. The other animals grew wary of Jeffy's tricks and boldness. They watched him from a distance, unsure if they could trust him, but Jeffy didn't care. He was too busy basking in his own glory to notice their concern. For Jeffy, being the center of attention was all that mattered, even if it meant standing alone in the middle of the forest with every eye watching and every heart growing just a little more distant. Jeffy's days were filled with pranks. He pulled a log from the busy-tail beaver's dam, causing it to collapse. He ruined the field mice's berry festival by sending their berries tumbling into mud. He startled Timothy the turtle, tied rabbit's ears together, and sent Barnaby the badger on wild goose chases. Each trick made Jeffy feel clever, but the animals grew sad and frustrated. "Watch out for Jeffy," became the warning in the woods. The joy of the forest faded as his selfish fun continued. The animals tried to talk to him, but Jeffy just shrugged. "It's just a bit of fun," he'd say, missing the hurt he caused. The animals had enough. One evening they gathered in a clearing, sharing stories of Jeffy's mischief. Old Man Owl listened as each animal spoke of the trouble Jeffy caused. Penelope the rabbit suggested, "What if we just ignore him?" The animals agreed. No one would speak to or acknowledge Jeffy. The next day, Jeffy's tricks were met with silence. The squirrels ignored him, the rabbits hopped past, and even Timothy the turtle didn't react. Jeffy felt invisible, his prideful smile fading. For the first time, he was left out. At first, Jeffy thought it was a game, but the silence continued. No one laughed, scolded, or even looked at him. Days passed, and Jeffy's loneliness grew heavy. He watched the other animals play and realized he was missing out on friendship. During a storm, a branch trapped him in his home, but no one came to help. Alone and scared, Jeffy finally understood. His tricks had made him an outcast. The pride he wore now felt cold and empty. He didn't want attention anymore, he wanted a friend. He longed to be part of the community he'd pushed away. With a heavy heart, Jeffy decided it was time to make things right. He knew he couldn't undo the mistakes he'd made, but he hoped that by facing them, he could begin to heal the hurt he'd caused. The forest felt quieter than usual as he set out, his paws trembling with nerves and his heart full of regret. First, he went to the busy-tailed beavers who were busy repairing their dam. Jeffy approached slowly, his voice barely above a whisper. "I'm sorry I broke your dam," he said quietly, his eyes downcast. "I didn't mean to cause so much trouble. I hope you can forgive me, even if it takes time." Next, he found the field mice gathered in a clearing, still cleaning up after the ruined festival. Jeffy's ears drooped as he spoke. "I ruined your festival. I wish I could take it back. I know how much it meant to you all, and I'm truly sorry for spoiling your special day." He continued on, seeking out Timothy the turtle, who was still a bit shaken. Jeffy gently apologized and helped Timothy feel safe again. He found the rabbits and carefully untied their ears, offering a sincere apology for his prank. Then he told Barnaby the bear the truth about the berry patches, admitting he'd been dishonest. Some animals forgave him right away, their hearts open and understanding. Others, still hurt, needed more time to trust him again. But Jeffy didn't give up. He knew that real change would take patience and effort, and he was determined to show everyone he meant it. Finally, Jeffy gathered his courage and approached Old Man Owl, the wisest creature in the forest. Looking up at the owl's gentle eyes, Jeffy confessed, "I was wrong. I don't want to be that possum anymore. I want to be better for everyone's sake." Old Man Owl nodded thoughtfully and replied, "An apology is a seed. With kindness and honesty, it will grow into trust. But you must nurture it with your actions, not just your words." Jeffy listened carefully and understood. He had to earn back their friendship step by step through kindness and good deeds. It wouldn't be easy, but he was ready to try. As he walked along the forest path, Jeffy realized his journey wasn't over. It was just beginning. Each day would be a new chance to do better. With hope in his heart and determination in his step, Jeffy was ready to change and become the friend the forest needed. Jeffy worked tirelessly to prove he'd changed. He helped the beavers build their dams, ensuring the water flowed smoothly through the forest. He was always there, lending a hand or a paw, showing that he was reliable and trustworthy. He gathered berries for the mice, making sure they had enough food stored for the winter. Jeffy would climb the highest branches to find the juiciest berries, always thinking of others before himself. He shared clever ideas with the squirrels, helping them find new ways to store their nuts and keep them safe from predators. Jeffy's innovative thinking made life easier for everyone in the forest. He was gentle with Timothy, the youngest of the forest animals, always making sure he was safe and happy. Jeffy's kindness knew no bounds. He was quick to help anyone in need, whether it was carrying heavy loads or finding lost items. Jeffy's helpful nature made him a beloved member of the community. Slowly, the animals saw his kindness and began to trust him again. They realized that Jeffy had truly changed and was now a force for good in the forest. They began to include him in their activities, and Jeffy felt a sense of belonging he'd never known before. One day, when a fox appeared, threatening the peace of the forest, Jeffy played dead with the others, showing true bravery. His quick thinking and courage helped protect his friends. The forest grew happier, and Jeffy became a friend, not a troublemaker. He was no longer seen as a nuisance, but as a valuable member of the community. He still had a mischievous sparkle in his eye, but now he used it for good. Jeffy's playful nature brought joy to everyone around him. Jeffy learned that being part of a caring community was better than being the center of attention. He found that helping others and being kind brought him more happiness than he ever imagined. Through kindness and humility, Jeffy found true joy and friends at last. The forest was now a place of harmony and happiness thanks to Jeffy's transformation. Jeffy's journey showed that anyone could change for the better, and that true happiness comes from being kind and helping others.